What we have here is removing a bolt that broke off for the wheel on this mower. So what we're looking at, it's the new one I ordered. I didn't order it with no new washers because, you know, they're gonna work the thing same, do the same thing. So it broke off, let the camera clear up. What I did was take a screwdriver, cut the grooves off of it, made a little point. Yeah, I'm cheap with it. I center pointed it right there, if you can see. Put a center point on it. Tapped it with the screwdriver, trying to find you a nice spot to sit and watch the show. And now what I'm about to do is, out of the drill bits, I'm gonna find me one small to work with at first, get the hole started. Somebody's been using some of my drills because some of my bits are missing, and make sure it's enough where my small bolt extractor, too big, not that one. And I might have to go a size up because I can't find my small extractor. Unless I set the bag on it. No, that's another one of my big ones. I forget we're gonna go a size up since I can't find my smallest. Alright, so. Still gonna work my way up small bit first. And you really don't need a lot of pressure at first. What you're trying to do is really slowly get that groove to, shall I say, impermanate. And these are left-headed bitted screws. Give me some nice little. And I'm gonna go up a little bit more. I've been using this one so much that I got a worn head on it. It's not gripping as much as I want it to, so I'm gonna size it up. And get back to it. Not too much pressure, be careful. best thing about using left-handed drill bits is that most of the time it unscrews it for you. Nice, nice, nice. So I didn't even have to use my extractor. And that's kind of it for her. But these are what the extractors look like. I didn't even get to use them. They're left-handed too, so it'll kind of catch and twist it out as you go. And grab with some pliers, wrench. Either way it goes. So I'm Monday Two Lit, working on stuff today. Get this new tire set on here. Hope this worked for y'all.